Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm here with Glam Polish's Winter Song Collection. This is a 6-piece set and it's available right now. These were sent to me to swatch and share with you guys. All of the information that you're going to need will be in the description box down below. First up is Angel in the Snow. It's white Crelly with Aurora Shimmer and Ultra Hollow Glitter. This is a sheer one, as you can see. I built it up in 3 coats. It does need top coat for shine just to add some gloss. Of course, you can wear it matte as well. And of course, this does have glitter, so it will be difficult to remove. Next up is Winter Rose, which is a dusty rose Crelly with shifting iridescent flakies and ultra hollow glitter. This one is a little more chunky because of the flakies. It adds a little oomph to the formula. I applied 2 coats to reach full opacity. It does need top coat for shine and to smooth out the glitters and the flakies. And removal will be difficult because there are ultra hollow glitter. Here we have Sweater Weather, which is a dusty lilac Crelly with shifting iridescent flakies and ultra hollow glitter. This is very similar to Winter Rose. Built it up in 2 coats. Gonna need some top coat to smooth out the glitter and flakies and to add some shine. And removal will be difficult because of the ultra hollow glitter. Fairy Tale of New York is next. This is a gray purple Crelly with Aurora Shimmer and ultra hollow glitter. This is incredibly creamy. I built it up in 2 coats. It does need top coat for shine and removal will be difficult because of the glitter. Next up is Snowbird, which is a blue-gray Crelly with shifting iridescent flakies and ultra hollow glitter. This one is very similar to a Sweater Weather. I applied 2 coats. It does need top coat for shine, and it does have glitter, so that will be difficult to remove. And the last one is Shelter from the Storm. This is a dusty sage Crelly with Aurora Shimmer and ultra hollow glitter. Super creamy, very similar to Fairy Tale of New York. I applied 2 coats to reach full opacity. It does need top coat for shine, and removal will be difficult because of the glitter. Alright you guys, that's it for me. I will leave all the information that you need in the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!